Right click on your speaker and open sound settings. Under sound settings, scroll down and click on all sound devices. In here, select output devices and make sure your output device volume is 100%. So increase it to 100%. Then go to your Roblox and try the sound problem solve or not. If you're still facing any sound problem with your Roblox, then here click on check for driver updates. And now just click on check for updates, and then if your driver needs any update, from here you will be able to easily update your sound or output driver very easily. If it's still not working, then don't worry, go to your computer search bar and this time type here device manager and open the device manager app on your PC. In here, select audio inputs and outputs, expand it. Now we have to update this microphone driver, also the speaker driver. So right click on microphone and click on properties, go to driver tab, click on update driver. Once successfully updated, then right click on speakers, properties, go to driver and click on update driver. That's how go ahead and update your both input and output drivers from here, and then go ahead and check your Roblox sound problem solve or not. If you're still having any issue, then under device manager, scroll down and expand sound, video and game controls. And also we have to update all of these drivers. So right click one by one, go to properties, driver, and just go ahead and update drivers for each of them.